Oh, hi, it's me again. Welcome or welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Clément and I'm a content creator usually based in France. But I'm currently traveling through Thailand, and after spending about 10 days in Bangkok and 10 days in Chiang Mai in the north of the country, I flew this morning from Chiang Mai to Phuket, which is in the south of the country, on the southwest, I would say. Oh, hi! I'm gonna be staying here for 3, 4, 5 days, probably 4 days, I'm not sure. I haven't planned the rest yet. I'm currently staying in Borbaboom. You cannot see, can you see? Yes, Borbaboom Phuket Postel, which is a hostel, and I'm staying in a 6-bed dorm, but we only have 2, one here and me right here. It's really nice, there's a lot of space to put my stuff. As you can see, and the bedroom is pretty comfortable, so I will tell you how I slept. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be starting this new video by exploring a tour which is gonna take me to some islands, James Bond something. Then we're gonna do canoe. I think this is it for tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wake up around 5:30 because they come pick me up at 6:30, and I'm gonna take you with me tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog or not. I don't know, like I have no idea how the Chiang Mai video is gonna be, but it's supposed to be online already, so you tell me, I don't know. And this is it for tonight. I will see you whenever I will see you. Hi. So yeah, I'm still in the hostel in Phuket, and I'm gonna take you with me for a walk in the streets so I can show you what it looks like. And then I'm gonna start packing because I'm changing accommodation again from this hostel to a hotel near the beach, which is gonna be like very relaxing, which I do need a lot. Hi, so welcome to Phuket Town. So yeah, quick update. Hi. 2 days ago I went on a boat tour, like I said, but I didn't vlog there because too many people, and I hate when there's too many people. Hi. But it was really nice. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of those group tours thing, which mostly are annoying and boring and stuff, but this one was really good. It lasted about, I think, 8 hours. We went to some islands, some caves, the James Bond Island, which is way too touristic to be nice. But yeah, so Phuket is really nice, like the town is really cool, but when you're here, I think you want to see the beach, so that's why I'm going to change today accommodation and go to the hotel. There's a lot of beaches around, but one I've been recommended not to go is Patong, which is like the most famous, I think, but I've heard this is really like disgusting and stuff. I'm not going there. I'm going to another one which is like north of it, and I'm probably gonna go and see Freedom Beach, which is another famous one, but it should be really nice. So yeah, we'll see. I will see you later. Hi. So yeah, it was a quick walk, but I still have to pack and wash my clothes and then start going to the next accommodation. But yeah, one thing is crazy about Thailand is that everything's so inexpensive that you can easily switch between hostels, which this one cost me I think around 10 euros, to hotels, which the next one's gonna cost me I think 50 euros a night, so it's a bit more expensive but not that expensive if you look at like Europe or America or I don't know. So yeah, and I'm really sweaty because yeah, it's really hot outside and I've only walked 10 minutes, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start packing and go to the next accommodation. See you whenever I see you. Bye. Yeah, I made it to the Novotel in Kamala Beach, which is on the west side of Phuket. I think the beach is like 3-5 minutes walking from here, so maybe I'll go check, probably go check. And yeah, I'm gonna be staying here for 3 nights, 4 days until Sunday. We're Thursday, so yes. And I'm mostly gonna do some editing on this desk because I have a lot of footage to like order and edit. And yeah, mostly gonna relax, and I will take you on a tour of this huge hotel because I'm probably gonna get lost, but you're gonna get lost with me. So yeah, I'm gonna get some food because I'm really hungry, and then I don't know, we'll see. So, hi, it's me again. It's a quick update. The past 3 days I've pretty much stayed in the Novotel in Kamala Beach, trying to plan what I'm gonna do next and to have a break of like moving all the time because it's a bit exhausting, but it's fine. Yeah, I wanted to go to Freedom Beach and to see the big Buddha in Phuket, but no, because yesterday was raining, plus to go to Freedom Beach it's mostly done by boats, so that would have meant too much things to do. Fuck, I don't know, like it would have meant finding a boat and stuff, so no. So tomorrow morning I'm leaving Phuket. I have a ferry at 8:30 at some pier, I don't know where. So you have to wake up super early, and I'm probably gonna pack tonight so that I can sleep a little bit more. What else to say? So yeah, I'm gonna stay in Krabi in Phang Beach, which is on the west side. Like Krabi's here, Krabi Town, there's Riley Beach there, so it's west side of Krabi. I think 2 days to start, and then I have no idea because I want to do to National Park, which is up north. I want to go to Phi Phi Island, which is down south. I want to go to Koh Samui, which is like on the other side of the world, no, of the country. So I have no idea. So we'll see. Maybe I will see you tomorrow on the boat, but I'm not sure because no, just because it's gonna be like packing, because it's gonna be like suitcase and bags and so voila. So no. But I will see you whenever I'll see you. Bye.